The next set of reactions deals with thioacetals and thioketals, and these are very similar to what we saw for acetals and ketals. So a thioacetal is one that forms from an aldehyde, like this one. This aldehyde is going to undergo a reaction under acidic conditions in the presence of a thiol instead of an alcohol. So the product that I'm going to get out of this reaction looks like this. In this reaction, my aldehyde plus a thiol made a thioacetal functional group. And just like we said with acetals and ketals, this carbon of the carbonyl is the same carbon of the thioacetal, the carbon that originally had a bond to my phenyl ring, my hydrogen, and my carbonyl. On my product side has a bond to the phenyl ring, the hydrogen, and 2 thioethers. That's the carbon where all of the chemistry is going to happen. If I have a ketone like this one undergo a reaction with a thiol, like this one, in the presence of acid, the product that I get out of this reaction is this one. In this reaction, my ketone undergoes a reaction with a thiol, a dithiol in this case, and makes a functional group that I call a thioketal. So a thioacetal is very similar to an acetal, except instead of an oxygen, we have a sulfur. Same for the thioketal, very similar to a ketal, except for the thioketal, we have a sulfur instead of an oxygen. And this carbon of the carbonyl is the same carbon right here of the thioketal, and that is where all of the chemistry is going to happen. So for these reactions, you should be able to go in the forward direction for both of these products. Make sure you can work through these mechanisms on your own. You should also be able to go through the hydrolysis of a thioacetal or a thioketal back to that aldehyde or ketone. And so for the hydrolysis, we would take our thioacetal, like this one. We're going to have this under acidic conditions, so H3O plus, and heat. And we're going to make our aldehyde and our thiol. We'll get 2 equivalents of that thiol. For the thioketal, if I take that thioketal and I treat it with acid and heat, I'll get back my ketone and my thiol. And you should be able to work through both of these mechanisms on your own.